So hello students, today we will be seeing solid states. Solid states. So in solids what we study? What are the characteristic property of solids? What are the different types of solid? Like two different types of solids are crystalline and amorphous. Crystalline solids are those solids which have regular geometrical arrangement, whereas the amorphous do not have any regular geometrical arrangement. Crystalline solids have fixed melting point which is not present, which is not seen in case of amorphous solid. So first we will know what is matter. So matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. So what is matter? Matter is anything that occupies space and that has mass. So matter must have mass as well as volume. तो मैटर में मास और वॉल्यूम जरूर होना चाहिए. States of matter. There are basically 5 states of matter. The solid state, liquid state, gas, plasma, Bose-Einstein condensate. Plasma is the 4th state of matter and Bose-Einstein condensate is the 5th state of matter. Solids, the constituent particles have definite mass, definite volume and shape. They are rigid. The constituent particles are very tightly packed. The interparticle distance is very less, interparticle force is very high. Okay. They do not have any translational motion, so they can only show some vibrational motion. So solids can be further classified into 2 types. First is called the crystalline solid and the second is called the amorphous solid. Amorphous solids. Crystalline solids are further classified into 4 types. Crystalline solids are further classified into 4 types. Ionic solids, metallic solids, molecular solids, covalent solids. Covalent solids are also called network solids. Ionic solids, metallic solids, molecular solids and covalent or network solids. Molecular solids are further of 3 types: polar molecular solids, non-polar molecular solids and hydrogen bonded molecular solids. Liquid and gas, they have the ability to flow. They are called fluid. They are called fluid. Whereas the plasma is the 4th state of matter. 4th state of matter. It exists at a very high temperature. It exists at a very high temperature. So everything is in ionized state. Everything is in ionized state. Bose-Einstein condensate. Bose-Einstein condensate. This is the 5th state of matter. It occurs at a very low temperature. Occurs at sub-zero temperature. Occurs at sub-zero temperature. Sub-zero temperature. It is the 4th state of matter, plasma. It occurs at very high temperature. Occurs at very high temperature. So plasma occurs at very high temperature, whereas Bose-Einstein condensate occurs at very low temperature, sub-zero temperature. The Bose-Einstein condensate, in Bose-Einstein condensate, the atoms behave abnormally. The atoms behave abnormally. Atoms show abnormal behavior, which is not similar to the behavior that we see for different atoms. Okay. Plasma is the 4th state of matter. It occurs at a very higher temperature, The sun's core, the star core contains plasma. Everything is in ionized state. The temperature is so high that the atom loses its electrons, so it becomes ionized state. So you can find ions as well as electrons there. Liquid and gases, they have the ability to flow rather slowly, so that is they are called fluids. Whereas solids, they are rigid. Solids are rigid because the custard particles are tightly packed. So matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. Matter has both mass and volume. There are 5 states of matter: the solids, liquid, gas, plasma, wake. Plasma is the 4th state of matter, whereas Bose-Einstein condensate is regarded as the 5th state of matter. It occurs at a very low temperature. Plasma occurs at a very high temperature, like sun's core, star's core. Liquid and gas, they are called fluids. Solid is rigid. There are 2 different types of solid. One is called the crystalline solid, another is called the amorphous solid. Crystalline solids are further classified into ionic solids, metallic solids, molecular solids, and covalent solids. Molecular solids are further classified into 3 types: polar molecular solid, non-polar molecular solids, and hydrogen bonded molecular solids. Now let's see crystalline solids. So crystalline solids have regular geometrical arrangement. Of particles. They have fixed melting point, fixed or definite melting point. When 1 mole of crystalline solid, or we can say when 1 mole of solid is converted into liquid, the amount of energy required is called enthalpy of fusion. So they have a fixed or definite enthalpy of fusion. Enthalpy of fusion. When we cut crystalline solid with a knife, it generates smooth surface. When cut with a knife or any sharp edge tool, when cut with a sharp edge tool. They are anisotropic. Anisotropic means they have different physical properties along different directions. Like they have different refractive index, thermal conductivity, electrical conductivity. So they are anisotropic. So that means they have different physical properties in different directions. So different physical properties in different directions. And they have long range order. Long range order means same particles are repeated to a longer distance. They have long range orders. And they are regarded as true solids. Some of the examples of crystalline solids are examples like NaCl, KCl, rubidium chloride, cesium chloride. So these are all ionic solid. They are example of crystalline. Diamond, graphite, aluminum nitride, silicon carbide, silicon, silica, ice, SO2 solid, ammonia solid, H2 solid, I2 solid, P4 solid, CO2 solid, that is called solid carbon dioxide, is called dry ice or dry cold. It is a sublimate. HF solids. So these are examples of crystalline solids. So let's revise this. So crystalline solids have regular geometrical arrangements. They have fixed or definite melting point. They generate a smooth surface when cut with a sharp edge tool. They are true solids. They are regarded as true solids. Their enthalpy of fusion is fixed. Their enthalpy of fusion is definite or fixed. They have long range orders of particles. They are anisotropic. Anisotropic means they have different physical properties in different directions. What are those physical properties? Refractive index, thermal conductivity, electrical conductivity, etc. Electrical conductivity. So these are the properties. Okay. So some of the examples of crystalline solids are NaCl, KCl, rubidium chloride, cesium chloride, diamond, graphite, aluminum nitride, silicon carbide, also called carborundum, silicon, silica, ice, sulfur dioxide solid, ammonia solid, HF solid, H2 solid, I2, P4, CO2, CCl4 solid, etc. So these are some of the examples of crystalline solids. So let's see amorphous solids. So amorphous solids are such solids which have irregular geometrical arrangement of particles. Their melting point is not fixed. They generate rough surface. When cut with a sharp edge tool. Their physical properties, they have same physical properties in different directions. That's why they are called isotopic. Like refractive index, thermal conductivity, electrical conductivity. So they have same physical properties in different directions. They have short range orders of particles. They do not have definite enthalpy of fusion. Enthalpy of fusion is the heat energy required to convert 1 mole of solid into liquid. And they are called pseudo-solids. Or supercooled liquid. So amorphous solids are those solids which have irregular geometrical arrangement of particles. They are isotropic. That means they have same physical properties in different directions, like thermal conductivity, electrical conductivity, refractive index. They do not have any fixed melting point. They melt in a range of temperature. They start melting in a range of temperature. They generate rough surface when cut with a sharp edge tool. They do not have definite enthalpy of fusion. They have short range orders of particles. Some of the examples of amorphous solids are rubber, polymers, fiberglass, polythene, polyurethane, Teflon, cellophane. These are the examples of amorphous solids. Thank you, students. We will be discussing the rest part of the chapter in my next upcoming videos.